It will rarely happen, but there may come the odd occasion where you actually need to edit or add a new PLC module to your part catalog database in AutoCAD Electrical. So we need to look at the database file editor for PLCs. Now what I've done here is I've used the previous drawing example. There's our PLC module, and you'll notice there's the mains, power and ring circuit that I put in as attributes earlier. I've saved it as a separate drawing, PLC database file editor. So what we'll do there is we'll select the project, add it as an active drawing as usual, and apply the project default values. And you'll see there it's already got sheet 005 because I did a save as. So we'll do properties, drawing properties, and update that. So we're now on sheet 006. And again, you might need to do a refresh just to get that to update. Sometimes happens. Now we're looking at an AB1761 L16 AWA. That's the actual non-parametric PLC we've got in place. Go to the schematic tab on the ribbon and go right over to the right hand end to other tools, and see this little icon here. There's a flyout next to it. You want PLC database file editor. Now this takes a few minutes to load. As you can see, it's going through the entire database. And you'll notice there that obviously I've looked at this database and looked at a 1762 IA8, which is not what we've got. So I'm just going to minimize everything. So we've got two manufacturers there. There's Allen Bradley. It's an AB, Allen Bradley, and it's a 1761 L16 AWA. So if I go down here, 1761, there we go. And we're coming down, that's an L16 AWA. So there's L16. And there's my AWA right there. So there is all of my attribute data for that particular non-parametric PLC. So I can edit all of this, or I can create a new module, module specifications, and so on. There's all my attribute tags that come in. So you can see there, look, line 2, Micrologics. If I come down here, there's all that information that comes in. Now those attributes there are the attributes that come in when you edit the component. So I go in here, look, there's all this information that comes in. Reprompts, break after, spacing factors, and so on. If I scroll down, there's a whole shed load of information in there. Now, obviously, I'm not going to edit this because this is my given part catalog block for this particular PLC. But I can do things like style box dimensions. I can actually set the box that comes in. If I just cancel that and move this box down, we're talking this box here that goes around the input-output connectors. So I can actually set the style box. I can set English dimensions or metric dimensions, the graphics style, and so on and so forth. So the default graphics style for this one is 1. It's using English dimensions, which is feet and inches, and there's all the inches measurements there, 0.5 of an inch, 0.375 of an inch, and so on. So you can see how well these non-parametric PLC modules are designed. Now what I can click on is I can click on Done there, or I can do a Done and Insert. And what I can do there is it then takes me to the parametric selection for that module. So when I click on OK, once I've done the edits there, I can drop a new module in. There's the spacing, so I'll say that that's got 1 inch like so, and I'll insert all. OK that again. Start with 001 as the module there. And we'll just do a regular input-output address like that, and off it goes. And there's the 16 points. Now, it's got a natural breakpoint built in. So it's hit that in the module's data list. Do I want to continue with no break and have a big, long PLC, or do I want to break it now? If I break it, it then prompts me for the second half, and I OK that. Make sure the spacing is the same. In this case, 1 inch. I'll OK that. It then places, I'll OK again, and off it goes. It'll need, obviously, the address again, input-output address, and there's the other part of that PLC in place, with a break marker there and a break marker there. So you can go and edit using the PLC database file editor, and the good thing is once you've made the edits, you can insert the new non-parametric PLC module.